Cooking pots have built-in spoon rests.
Ever stir a pot and not know what to do with the spoon? If you lay it on the counter, you'll get sauce everywhere. But what are you supposed to do? Just hold it in the air the whole time. Here's a move. Use the hole in pot handles as a spoon rest. That's right. That hole has two purposes: to hang the pot with and to hold a utensil. So put down that saucy wooden spoon and pick up a drink. Cooking is better with free hands.
Chinese takeout boxes are really plates.
So, apparently the designers of Chinese takeout boxes are operating at a whole other level, because they've created a box that doubles as a plate. The containers actually are meant to unfold into a plate, ideal for eating noodles. Next time you order lo mein, create your makeshift plate, then reassemble into a box to keep your leftovers.
Ketchup cups can be dipping bowls.
Ketchup cups are tiny. There's never enough room to fit in all the ketchup you want in one container. Instead of resorting to multiple cups of ketchup,
soft drink lids can double as coasters.
Nobody likes to try and get water rings out of wooden surfaces. Those water droplets that condense on cold soda can be trouble. Fortunately, you can use all soda lids as coasters by slipping them under your drink. Simply remove the lid and fit your cup on top of it, and save your friend's coffee table.
Soda lids can hold straws.
Didn't think a can of Coke would ever surprise you. What about its lid? That's right. Soda lids can double as straw holders. Ever put a straw in an effervescent drink? Simply turn the tab on the can around and push the straw through it. This stops the straw from raising out of the can as the soda bubbles.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and like and comment down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.